day. Love you.
Love you more.
Oh, yay. Cheerleader tryouts are tonight. Pick me.
No, pick me. Even mocking cheerleaders cannot hide the emptiness in my soul.
Hey, you never met me face to face. If you think cheerleaders are a waste of space, we work and we fight and we train.